Hello, hello! So yes, we didn't plan this, but it's okay. Let's go and try this viral Carrot hot chocolate here in Paris. Sarap umupo. Re-review si girl. So syempre, ang in-order ni Honey is yung hot chocolate, which is good for 2 to 3 refills na yan. So if hindi naman kayo sobrang chocoholic, pwede na kayo mag-share dyan. But since gusto din namin i-try yung coffee nila, kaya nag-order kami ng espresso. As in, literal, nag-google lang ako ng toilet near me, tapos dito kami dinala. At wala pang pila, kaya para sa amin siguro talaga. Tignan nyo ngayon, may pila na. Okay, let's go. The moment of truth. Super thick and creamy talaga ng chocolate niya.
This is with the cream.
How's the taste? Sobrang
Yun,
sarap.
pasado kay girl. And totoo naman talaga, super rich yung lasa ng hot chocolate nila. Masarap din yung pastries nila. Nag-order ako ng eclairs, tas si Honey panakulat, tapos yung mini pastry na yun.
Espresso yung sa akin.
And this is it, the shocking truth.
So, ito yung price ng
Ihi namin. Ihi lang kami. Was it worth it for us? Yes. Even for a toilet detour. Try nyo rin to pagpunta nyo dito. Yung kape, sa iba nyo na lang itry. Yung hot chocolate, pwede na kayo mag-share kung dalawa kayo. Tapos 2 pastries or croissant, and you will end up paying only 20 plus euros. And that's worth it. And that's it, guys.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!